Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a unique cup holder that'll work with Yeti 20, 30, or 60 ounces, Hydro Flask 32 or 40. Fits most mugs 3.4 inches to 4 inches in diameter, and the base expands from 2.6 to 3.8. Let's take a look what it looks like here. It's unique. So to get the base to expand, you just rotate the top and it expands. It has rubber right there. It has rubber on the bottom. It has this insert that you put on there, right like that, and that gives extra friction. Also notice that it has these large tabs that accommodate all different types of flasks and sizes. And it has a really nice outer opening so that it'll handle the handles of most cups. And the top is all embedded silicone into the black, and works really well. So I tested it out on my Kona EV, and I'm going to show you how well it worked for all kinds of different cups that I tested. So here I'm in my Kona EV, and I'm going to show you how the cup holder works. I'm going to place it right in that opening right there. I'm going to rotate this clockwise, and it locks in place really nicely, and it doesn't get in the way of the other one. You can see I have a mobile phone mount right there, so it's allowing me access to it right there. And then of course I can put my cups. There is a very large coffee cup right there, and it's holding it perfectly. Those little rubber flanges are putting pressure on it, keeping it in place. And this is the first cup holder that actually fits this huge Stanley insulated holder. Look at this. It slides right down in there and holds it in place. Very impressed that it fit that, because nothing ever fit that. And because of those flanges, it could fit a thinner thermos, just like this one right here, which is thinner, and those flanges will hold it in place also. So what do I think about this cup holder after I tested it and drove in my car with all the different sizes that I showed? Really unique product, really thought out product. They thought about everything on this. It locks really well, simple to do. Everything stays in place. The silicone piece that they include keeps everything from sliding around, even on the bottom, and these large tabs accommodate all kinds of different sizes as I showed. So I like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.